Don't get Link? Oh, cause he's nude.
Get those?
And his Hello Kitty boxers.
Here we are at Bodie, California, and an interesting turn of events. We're going up the road, and we noticed the TPMS sensor comes on the van. It went from 47 pounds of pressure to 20, like that. This is. That's what we're working with. We had to run around, try to get a star wrench because the rental company didn't give us a spare, didn't give us a donut, didn't give us anything except for a little mini air compressor. Now we are in Levining, which is 20-something miles away from Bodie, while everybody else is still up in Bodie, trying to get this tire fixed. And we got to drive back to Bodie, put the tire on, and then we can start vacation. We got the tire. Well, we got it fixed. They put a patch on it. It's not the greatest patch, but we left Bodie, got down that hill, made it to Levining. We're now 12 miles from Mammoth. We've been doing 45 and 50 the entire way because I don't trust that tire patch, because when they fixed it, kind of bowed. That might be because he added too much air, I don't know, but I don't trust it, so we're gonna drive into Mammoth and buy another tire. Is this a payphone I see? It is a payphone. So here we are. This is the very tip of Twin Lakes in Mammoth.
Photo op.
Something interesting happened at the end of the day yesterday. As I was extending my Telesin selfie stick to sit it down on the ground to record me doing my 5-second exposures on the waterfall, this happened. Not sure exactly how to fix this.
This probably shows you everything you need to. This is cool.
I love being out here. This is amazing. I'm so glad that this is the area that my wife chose for our vacation. So, I guess tired is the word. Worn out from being in the desert. You know, I look outside and I see brown, and then I see blue. And that's it, brown and blue. When I say get out and shoot, I mean that. And a lot of the times when I say that in the videos, I'm talking to myself. I'm telling myself to get out and shoot. Reminding myself that I love photography, and the love of photography is reason for me to go out and shoot some photos. Ooh, that's so awesome right there. See, the perfect example. I don't get to do that at home. I can't walk down the street and be like, oh, that's so awesome. Something great. I know that sounds like grass is greener syndrome, but it really isn't. It's more of, you see things every day, it loses its beauty. You see things for the first time, it's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen, which of course this is it. But I don't see waterfalls where I live. I don't. There's one, and you have to hike to get to it, and it's literally just a trickle coming down a rock out in the middle of nowhere. So it's nothing crazy, but this is cool. I'm totally digging this. What's up? So we decided to go out for a little hike today and see if we can find this place called Mammoth Lakes. And I mean, we've been hiking for like an hour and a half. I'm not sure if
2 hours.
I don't know if we can find it. Oh wait, oh yeah, we found it. So, kind of sad. It's the last night here before I have to go home. I've had so much fun just going out, walking, taking photos of lakes, trees, rocks, different textures, down trees. You name it, I've pretty much taken a photo of it. And I've had a great time doing it. Now, I'm not even taking the photos or any of that to really showcase or to sell. Taking them for me, taking them just because it's like, oh, that's a cool texture on that tree, let me take a picture of it. And that's pretty much what I've been doing, just having a good time. And quite sad because it's the last day, last night. One more trip to the hot tub. One final stroll. Just kind of bouncing around, you know. I'm gonna miss it. I need it. I really need to come back. I really need to do, like, come out for a legit photo expedition, just like to camp out, wake up, do some sunrise shots, because I didn't do that. I was so tired from walking, from hiking, that there was just no chance of me waking up at sunrise. Not a chance. Yesterday, for instance, we did a 2.5 mile hike. That's it, just 2.5 miles. The actual distance was like 1 mile, but we went 1.5 miles up. So we ended up actually climbing over a mountain, and that was to get to Sherwin Lakes. But yeah, we ended up hiking over that mountain, and then down partially, and then ended up at the lake. And be honest, I had the time of my life doing it. I would say 6 months ago, I wouldn't have wanted to do that. A year ago, there would have been no chance of me doing that. 2 years ago, if I couldn't drive there, I wouldn't have went. But I went. And I have to say, everything I've done on this vacation has been just a great time. I've enjoyed it so much. I don't know if this is even going to make it onto a video. I don't know if anything that I've really recorded is going to end up on video. But if anything, it's just, this was a great experience, and I urge anybody who does see this to get out. Not just shoot, but get out, just walk around, enjoy nature, enjoy trees, enjoy, you know, blades of grass, enjoy getting bit by mosquitoes. You know, just because you're not sitting in the house, you're not sitting playing a video game, you're not watching a movie, you're actually experiencing something. You know, there were times on the hike yesterday where I had my camera out, but I didn't take any photos. I was just looking at what was going on around me, just observing with my eyes. And I did that for a couple reasons. Number one, because I was just in awe of the beauty. And number two, it gives me a reason to return. It gives me a reason to come back. Because I'll remember forever those things that I saw, those places that I saw that I want to take a photo of. You know, we came out here, it's the middle of summer, blue skies. It's not optimal for photos, especially for landscape, but I still enjoyed it. I still enjoyed every photo I took. I enjoyed every step I took. I enjoyed every path, every trail, every mountain, every hill. I've enjoyed it all. You know, just something about being out here makes it fun to walk, as opposed to being where I live and there's nothing really exciting to see when you go for a walk. Here, I mean, just even I'm not even far from the condo right now. I'm literally, I could see the condo from here. But then you got right behind me here, there's a tunnel just on this little bike trail, and it's just, I don't know, it's just really cool. I could take this path and just jaywalk across the street, but I enjoy walking under the tunnel. You know, as you guys have seen, I'm on a kind of a weight loss journey. I don't know what I weigh right now, but I dropped a bunch of weight. I've been getting typically around 8,000 steps per day on a treadmill. On vacation, I don't think I've gotten anything less than 12,000. I think right now I might be less than 12,000, because we just kind of wanted to relax today. But I mean, look, we're inside this tunnel. It's just, it's super cool, man. It's just, I don't know. It makes it enjoyable to be outside when you have something to look at. I don't know. Fun experience. I'm sad to go. I'm sad that this is the last day. This week for me flew by. You know, they say time flies when you're having fun, and I was having the time of my life. Hanging out, you know, I was with my kids, with my wife, I was with the in-laws, I was with future brother-in-law, just kind of chilling out, man, having a good time. You know, enjoyed some bourbon, some sipping bourbon that I'm not used to. I'm just used to doing shots if I drink anything. Walk into the store just to get a soda, whereas, you know, at home I just do without. I do without because I don't want to go outside because there's nothing but desert. Here you got some desert, you got lots of trees, lots of beauty, lots of just, I don't know, so amazing. Again, I don't know if this is even, any of this is going to be on video, or it might just get cut up into different videos. I have no idea, but I'm just recording it because I want to, because I enjoy making videos. I enjoy doing what I do. So this may end up being a non-photography related video. Who knows? It might just be a vlog of what I did this week. Or it could be nothing. It could be just for me. Either way, I don't care. So I guess that's gonna do it for right now. Next time you guys see me, I'll be in my house recording videos for you, talking about photography. So guess I'll end on this note. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, click the bell to be notified of all future videos. Check out my website, jeff-gresham.com. Pick up my Lightroom presets pack, as well as pick up these upcoming photo prints. Until next time, get out. Just get out, walk around, shoot, take a walk. And I'll catch you in the next video.